What would you do if I tell you that computers lie? You would not probably believe it, because you and I, we have been always told that computers do not lie, unlike humans. The same problem gets carried over, and then what it happens is, when humans teach computers something, then computers also have the same bias that humans have always had, and this is what we call as ML bias. Because when machine learning models are built and deployed, we tend to see that these machine learning models have the same bias that humans used to have. Take this one as an example. Humans always had this belief that he can be a doctor and she can be a nurse. And then when this gets translated to a gender neutral language, and then when it gets translated back to English, what you actually see is he and she get swapped, and then he is a doctor and then she is a nurse now. And this is what is one of the biggest examples of machine learning bias. And then this talk is about to explain that machine learning bias exists, then what kind of things are happening in terms of machine learning bias, what kind of problems are there in the world of machine learning bias and implementation, and then how companies are trying to solve these kind of issues by debiasing, and then a lot of other variety of ways that companies are trying to tackle this thing. And then this talk is supposed to help everyone whose purpose is to implement machine learning model in production environment, and then use that for decision making. For example, if you are someone who happen to work in people analytics, will you consider a machine learning model with bias that is going to tell you to fire someone? So welcome to the talk.